have something for them? And I said, yeah, I've got this beautiful scroll on behalf of the government of Canada. And he says, give it to me. And he grabbed his pen and he signed it. Congratulations to Ursa and Tala and Justin Trudeau. Chris and I have been married for 20 years. And 21 this year. This year 21. We'll have our anniversary in August. And there is nothing greater than marriage and family and coming together and the values of love and respect and community and just growing together. So I want to just congratulate the couple and with a long life of happiness, of health, and wishing you and your families as you continue to grow. I don't want to put any pressure on them, but I was talking to the fathers and the mothers, and they would like to see this family start to really grow, right? So no pressure, guys. Okay? But congratulations, it's wonderful to be here in celebration of such a wonderful couple in matrimony. Thank you.
Here to watch a Pakistani wedding. My background's Italian, and we always do things with family. I think it's so important to join two families together today, and this makes their family even stronger. The bond of both families together is so important, and I want to congratulate the couple for 100 years of happy marriage together. At least 100 years, right? But congratulations to everybody, and like I said, what an honor it is for me to be here. To be honest, I remember my wedding, which has been, 27 years ago, and I remember it like tonight in this hall, how important it was to get married and have the family with you. So congratulations to everyone to be here tonight. Thank you.